I was just thinking I should share a little thing that you can do with Siri. Hey YouTube, it's Levi Lawn Care here, and today gotta mow the lawn. My duties now. So yeah, it's kind of cloudy outside. It's a little overcast, but not too bad. The sun up there is really bright though. Okay, so we're just on, like, I guess you could say a vacation or something like that. It wasn't really a vacation. But, when I set up the sprinkle, I'm trying to get these gray spots and everything gone, but, I mean, it's kind of working. I mean, the grass, it's like all the way up to my hand, so it's pretty big. I'm going to have to move this if I want to do any mowing or trimming. So, we're going to have to do the trimming first. So, let's get all that stuff out of the way. Let's get the trimmer set up. You can see I'm having some trouble starting that up, but I'll get it. Hey, at least I got started up, right? I have to end up turning this into a how-to video because my trimmer ain't starting. So, sorry guys, I haven't been able to take many videos. I've been doing some stuff lately, and I'm trying to make more videos, but, you know, I might not have the time to actually do that. But, yeah, I try, so. I try, but, you know, if you're watching this, just leave me some comments, please, on what I should do, because I've been I've been lazy. So until then, Levi Lawn Care, and thanks for watching.